I'm gonna try to do a call here, maybe a call or two. I just got this Mojo super critter. Vinny, get it. Being a little shit. Just got the Mojo super critter here. I'm anxious to try it out. So that's what it is here. Like, that's pretty neat. Scout for some turkeys and do a little calling in the process. That Foxpro Wildfire. Just downloaded a few new sounds, so I'm gonna try them out tonight. We're gonna walk up here and get a location picked out. We're scouting today. Let's go. Yeah, baby! Find him. Where is he? Find him. Vinny, where is he? Find him. Good boy. Good boy, Vinny. And she ran right in, probably 5 feet away from where I had the decoy set up. Looked right at it, and got my gun up. I got 2 shots off. I got them on film. But then when I actually did hit her, she ran behind the tree. You couldn't see it. She probably ran, I don't know, 100 yards down here, and I just followed the dog. He brought me right to her.